What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we made 2,800 today, 1,500 on AMD, and then we made another 1,200 on UNH. Let's break it down. We are up 97,000 this year, approaching that 100K mark. Significant milestone for us. Let's get right into it. So let's break down AMD first. Looking at the 1 month, it was very clear that we had previous support at this $150 level. So I was waiting for the first retest, which you will see marking over here, the first retest of $150. For me, it was a no-brainer to take this trade. This is why, referring to the videos I've made of support and resistance, seeing that we have sold off from 186 down to 170. We rejected the 170, pulled back down to the 150 level is where I made my money. So I looked back previously right here, saw that we had support in this area around 150, support here around 150, and then we had this touch right here at 149.34. So I told myself, okay, I'm going to make that first entry when AMD touches it, and that was the goal today. So zooming in on the 1-day chart, we bought this dip right here around 149.6. Looking at the RSI here, it was trading around 42 at the time. And on the 5-minute, zooming in on that, just to show you to compare both of them, right at this dip right here, it was around 25. So very interesting trade on this. Looking at the dips here, buying into this strength and following the EMAs of looking at, you can see the red is the 9 EMA, which is highlighted right here, and trading this up in here, buying at 149.6, and then getting in right up in here, following it up, making $1,500 on this trade. That was a nice trade. The next trade we're going to break it down is UNH. We bought this big dip from 323 all the way down to 313. For me, this was a no-brainer. We just pulled back 10 points after making a new high, pulling back 3%. And what I was looking for is previous support. So when you do these trades, you're looking on the, I use a 3-month chart. So we broke through, we just finally broke this resistance. You could see we had multiple points. Right here was resistance. Tested it right here, there was resistance, and then it pulled back, retested, confirmed, and then went higher. That was the move. So I was going to buy the next retest of this $313 range. I wanted to give myself some time. So after we noticed we saw that, I looked for this aspect right here and bought right in there. That was it. Simple as that. Look at that massive volume bar engulfing this red one, knowing, okay, we are going up tomorrow. I'll be looking to scalp this tomorrow as well. And on that breakout, we bought around $315 per share, with my stop being below 312, giving myself some wiggle room, selling up here around 317, 319, and making over $2.8 thousand today, which was awesome. So let me know if this video helps you. Looking at watching previous support levels, you can mark this out and you can make trades and have a nice stop loss if it was to break below this level. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you made it this long, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, check out the playlist. Also, you can join to become a member. Click on the playlist right here. You'll be able to see the Robinhood platform, Fidelity platform, the members only playlist. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Definitely check out the links right up in here if you want to join the WAP to gain a more investing experience with a bunch of traders together.